Today, we're comparing 3 different approaches to hard floor cleaning: the Tineco Floor 1 S9 Artist Steam Floor Cleaner, the Dreame L50 Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner, and the Roborock CurvX. All 3 sit in the premium price range and promise to make cleaning easier, but they go about it in completely different ways. Special thanks to Tineco for sponsoring today's video. If you want to check out any of these products, you'll find links in the description below. Now, the big question going into this comparison is simple: do you prioritize full automation or deep cleaning performance? At face value, robot vacuums promise a hands-free experience, while something like the Tineco S9 Steam focuses more on hands-on cleaning power to tackle real-world messes. So throughout this comparison, we're going to break down not just the specs, but how these differences actually play out in everyday use. Starting with positioning and price, the Tineco S9 Artist Steam comes in roughly $400 to $500 less than the Dreame L50 Ultra and the Roborock CurvX. So right away, the robot vacuums are more expensive, putting a premium on automation. Now let's get into the core technology, because this is where the biggest differences show up. The Tineco S9 uses 320°F high temperature steam combined with 22,000 pascals of suction. That steam doesn't just loosen dirt, it melts stubborn stains and delivers sterilization, helping remove bacteria and reduce viruses using only tap water with no added cleaning solutions. By comparison, both the Dreame L50 Ultra and the Roborock CurvX rely on suction paired with room temperature water mopping. The Dreame delivers 19,500 pascals of suction, while the Roborock reaches 22,000 pascals. While those numbers are strong and especially useful for carpets, we're focusing on hard floors here, where mopping performance matters more. Instead of dissolving messes, these systems rely on physical friction, which can end up spreading sticky residue across the floor rather than fully removing it. The same applies to wet spills. The mopping systems aren't designed to absorb liquid messes, so they push them around instead of clearing them. The Tineco, on the other hand, uses high-performance steam to break down and lift those messes, followed by strong suction and a continuous flow of clean water for quick absorption. Looking at overall cleaning performance, the Tineco goes beyond surface-level results by delivering deeper cleaning thanks to its high-temperature steam. The robot vacuums are primarily focused on surface dust and light debris. They do well for maintenance cleaning, but they're not designed for deep sanitation. And depending on your home, especially if you have kids or pets, that difference can matter quite a bit. Speaking of pets, if you're dealing with really long hair, you will appreciate the detangling system on the Tineco. Another major difference is how these machines handle mixed wet and dry messes. The Tineco S9 is built to handle both at the same time with no restrictions. You can vacuum solids, liquids, and everything in between in a single pass. With robot vacuums, this is a limitation. Wet messes can contaminate the dustbin, create odors, and in some cases even risk damaging internal components. Maintenance is another area where expectations and reality can be very different. The Tineco S9 features a high-temperature self-cleaning system that washes and dries internal components using steam. With robot vacuums, while they do automate mop washing and drying, the base station itself often builds up dirt and requires manual cleaning over time. On top of that, you still need to clean brushes, empty bins, and replace consumables regularly. Speaking of consumables, the Tineco S9 has minimal ongoing costs, with roughly $30 for a replacement roller brush and no need for cleaning solutions since it runs on water alone. The Dreame L50 Ultra and the Roborock CurvX can easily exceed $100 per year when you factor in dust bags, filters, and mop pads. So not only are they more expensive up front, but they also cost more to maintain over time. One of the most important real-world scenarios is how these machines handle unexpected messes. Imagine spilling a bowl of soup or dealing with a pet accident. With a robot vacuum, you have to open the app, set up a cleaning zone, and wait for it to navigate over. By the time it gets there, the mess may have already been spread or partially dried, and in some cases, the robot can make things worse by dragging it across the floor. With the Tineco S9, there's no delay. You grab it, go straight to the mess, and clean it immediately. It can vacuum wash and steam disinfect all at once, often in just seconds. That immediacy makes a big difference when timing matters. So to sum everything up, the Dreame L50 Ultra and Roborock CurvX are strong options for automated surface-level maintenance cleaning, especially if you want something running on a schedule. But that convenience comes at a higher upfront cost, ongoing consumables, and some real limitations when it comes to deep cleaning or handling unexpected messes. They're best thought of as a daily maintenance machine rather than complete cleaning solutions. If you're spending over $1,000, it's worth thinking about what you actually want that investment to do. High-end robot vacuums prioritize automation, but they still require upkeep and can struggle with sticky, wet, or more demanding messes. The Tineco Floor One S9 Artist Steam takes a different approach, focusing on high temperature steam, true deep cleaning, and the ability to handle both wet and dry messes, with fewer ongoing costs and more confidence that your floors are genuinely clean.